If you possess expertise in fields such as software development, design, digital marketing, or copywriting, freelancing could be your ticket to earning $500 a day online. Platforms like Upwork, Toptal, and Fiverr are excellent starting points for freelancers. With high-level skills in demand, experienced freelancers can charge between $50 to $200 per hour. By working on high-paying projects for just a few hours, you can easily reach your daily goal. Focusing on selling high-commission products, particularly life insurance, can be a lucrative way to make $500 a day. By closing just a couple of high-value policy sales daily, you can achieve this target. Start by utilizing online lead generation platforms, social media ads, or partnerships with financial advisors. The key is to leverage your network and marketing skills to consistently close sales and maximize your earnings. Setting up an online store to sell popular or trending items is another effective method. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon make it easy to start your e-commerce journey. Focus on niche products and invest in digital advertising through Google, Facebook, or TikTok to drive traffic. By maintaining profitable margins and capitalizing on peak times, a well-run store can quickly generate $500 a day in sales. Affiliate marketing involves earning commissions by promoting products on social media, blogs, or YouTube. Start by joining affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, or Rakuten. While it may take time to build a following, with the right traffic and high-paying products, you can earn $500 or more daily. Consistency and strategic promotion are key to success in this field. Creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates can be a profitable venture. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Gumroad help you host and market your creations. With a strong marketing strategy and high-quality content, many creators earn $500 or more daily. The initial effort in creating the product can lead to passive income as sales continue over time. Investing in stocks or engaging in day trading can yield significant returns, though it requires capital and an understanding of risk. Platforms like Robinhood, eTrade, or TD Ameritrade are good starting points. Skilled traders with solid strategies can earn $500 daily, but it's important to remember that the market carries risks and potential losses. Knowledge and experience are crucial for success in this area. Building a social media presence or a YouTube channel offers opportunities for monetization through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Creators with sizable followings can make $500 or more daily. The key is to produce engaging content that attracts viewers and sponsors. As your audience grows, so do your earning opportunities through various monetization channels. Offering consulting services in areas like business, life coaching, or fitness training can be highly rewarding. Create a website or use social media platforms like LinkedIn to market your expertise. By charging $100 to $250 per session, conducting 5 sessions daily can bring in $500 or more. Your knowledge and experience are valuable assets that can be monetized effectively. Selling high-ticket items such as furniture, electronics, or luxury goods online can quickly reach your $500 daily goal. Create a store and source items through wholesalers or direct manufacturers. Running targeted ads will attract buyers interested in high-value products. With just a few sales per day, you can achieve significant earnings, making high-ticket dropshipping a viable option. Investing in real estate crowdfunding or real estate investment trusts, REITs, can generate daily returns. Websites like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and DiversiFund allow you to invest small amounts in real estate. While the income may be passive, it can accumulate to reach $500 over time with multiple properties. Diversifying your investments can ensure a steady flow of income.